Demonstration in the assembly and disassembly of the Comepa Johann forceps. Similar in design to the Karl Storz, however, make note that there are subtle differences. These parts are not interchangeable with Karl Storz or Eskeller lap needle holders or forceps. The insert will say Comepa. The sheath does not have any brand name, and the Comepa handle looks like this. I shall now demonstrate assembly. Like the Karl Storz, the edge of the black sheath has a circular pattern with 2 notches on the side. These are to marry up with the end of the grasper. Do not worry if you do not meet the notches correctly, simply rotate the sheath and it will slide through. You will then need to continue to rotate in order to lock the sheath inside, lock the insert inside the sheath. It's only a rotation lock, so if you were to rotate the sheath the other way, it will come off. Once it's locked in place, you simply just slide it into the handle. The handle will readjust itself once it's made the right connection fit. Taking the Comepa Johann forcep apart, slightly more difficult than the Karl Storz. For sake of use, you'll have to press this button down, whilst also putting back on this rotating mechanism. It's ever so slight, but both functions need to be done simultaneously to pull the sheath out. Best way I find to do this is using the ball of your thumb, inside knuckle joint, resting on the trigger mechanism, whilst also using the tip of your thumb and forefinger to pull back slightly on the rotation mechanism. This may prove difficult, so ask for assistance when necessary, but once you've got both components pressed, the sheath slides out. Should demonstrate again. Inside knuckle, resting on the trigger button, thumb, tip and forefinger pull back on the sliding mech, sheath will pull out. That concludes assembly and disassembly of the Comepa Johann forceps. Again, ask for help if necessary.